He's a little unicorn, yeah.
Are you looking at that bright orange shirt? You look so studly. Yeah. You look
What's he doing? Just looking at himself?
He's just staring.
Milena's going, Ma?
Milena.
Are you with your Aunt Jody?
I'm gonna get you.
Eli, you got your Aunt Jody.
Milena, I'm gonna get you.
You being a good boy? Ooh, baby.
You hear those crazy cousins? Yeah, you hear those crazy cousins?
Steve, are you showering tonight when you get home or in the morning?
I got you.
Because you know me, I gotta go to work tomorrow.
What are you doing, baby Prince? Are you content? Oh, such a good boy. I want him to coo.
Just chill. What up, little guy?
Don't start crying. Don't cry. You don't need to cry.
I'm just real
Just
tired.
think, Jody, you gotta wait another 4 years for one of those, honey.
Real tired.
One of what?
My Jody.
Oh.
Joe.
Boy.
I told you, just wait. One day they're all gonna be at the zoo.